SmartDraw has several tools and templates for making a variety of visuals for engineering and CAD. Among these, you'll find commonly used electrical drawings and schematics, like circuit diagrams, wiring diagrams, electrical plans, and block diagrams. With SmartDraw's vast library of electrical symbols and easy drawing tools, anyone, apprentice or pro, can start building electrical diagrams right away. Let's start with a circuit diagram. You'll notice all sorts of symbols in the symbol library to help you along. Capacitors, inductors, switches, resistors, AC and DC voltage sources, fuses, and so on. You may want to build your circuit diagram using these symbols alone. To connect an engineering symbol to a new symbol, simply draw a line and a menu of common engineering symbols will appear to let you choose a new symbol to connect. Click on any symbol to add it to your drawing. This menu is intelligent and will populate with the last 6 symbols you've used in your diagram, so you'll always have the right symbols at your fingertips. To add a symbol to your circuit diagram, all you have to do is drag a symbol to a line and drop it. The line will split into 2 and connect each end to the symbol in exactly the right place. Symbols will even automatically rotate to align correctly. Moving symbols is also easier in SmartDraw. Use the mouse to gently drag a symbol along a line to change its position. Hold down the Alt key and drag the symbol away from the line to move it to another. The original line will heal automatically. To remove a symbol, simply delete it, or use the Alt key to move it away from the line. And again, the line will heal itself automatically. You can also draw the lines yourself with this tool in the Smart panel. Select the line shape that you want to use and just click to add your line. If you right-click on a line, you can change the line shape, the arrowhead options, and so on. If this Allow Lines to Link option is selected here in the Smart panel, the lines will neatly snap to each other. If the Allow Lines to Join option is selected, these connected lines will stay together once connected. Click on Set Line Hops in the Smart panel to show or hide line hops at crossover points, and to change the size and shape of your line hops. Select Show Dimensions to show the length of your lines or the area of your shapes. Just select Add Text to type measurements and notations into your diagram. Wiring diagrams function very much the same way, but employ a different set of symbols. Click More in the Symbol Library drop-down menu, and there are even more electrical symbols to choose from. Block diagrams, often used for higher level, less detailed descriptions for understanding overall concepts, use the same easy drawing tools and are easy to adjust and customize. SmartDraw's themes, quick styles, and colors are useful in categorizing and communicating these concepts in a visually intuitive way. A panel diagram is another handy visual. Just drag the many circuit breakers and panel components to where you want them to go, and they anchor neatly into place. Using SmartDraw's floor plans, you can easily create detailed electrical plans as well. Just open your floor plan to begin, and under this Page tab, choose New Layer and name the layer. You now have a separate layer on which to build your electrical plan. Open one of the many libraries like fire and safety equipment, lighting, or security, and just drag the symbols to where they belong on the floor plan. You can switch back and forth between the electrical and floor plan layer here, and choose to make a layer clickable or not clickable to protect the work that you've already done, and choose to make a layer visible or not visible. This helps make your electrical plans easier to build, manage, and share with others. With SmartDraw's quick start templates, extensive symbol libraries, and intuitive drawing and formatting, you'll be making great-looking electrical diagrams in no time.